Okay guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have 7 ounces of small conchitas, some tomato sauce, a green bell pepper, yellow onion, a cup of beef broth or beef stock, and in here I have 1 teaspoon of each garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, and ground comino. And then in here I have half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt, and then of course 1 pound of ground beef. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to grab a pan just like this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to about medium high heat. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to brown our conchas. So you want to grab a little bit of vegetable oil. So let's go ahead and add our conchitas. Just like that. And once you have browned your conchas, they should look something like this. And then give it a mix real quick. We're going to go ahead and set that aside. So now we're going to grab a pan like this. We're going to go ahead and let that heat up just a little bit. Let's add a little bit of oil. Okay, now to this we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. Now once you've browned your beef, let's go ahead and drain out some of that excess liquid. Now once you've browned your beef and you've drained out any excess liquid, let's go ahead and add our onion to this. So I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of onion. Let's give that a good mix. And let's continue to brown it just a little bit longer. Once I added the onion, I continue to brown it for about 5 extra minutes. Just enough so the onion gets really nice and soft. So now to this, we're going to go ahead and add our concha. And now we're going to add our 1 cup of beef broth. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down just a little bit. So now we're going to add 5 cups of water. So I'm going to add it 2 cups at a time. Here's another 2 cups. And then 1 cup. So it's a total of 5 cups of water. Let's go ahead and mix that up. And now to this, you're going to go ahead and add about half a can, so about 4 ounces. They come in 8-ounce cans. Go ahead and give it a stir. Now let's go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of sliced green bell pepper. And now we're going to add all our seasonings. Just add them all at one time. Along with the salt and pepper. Good stir. So now what you're going to do is you're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and taste this out. So let's see. Perfect. Okay, so I left this simmering for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to put a lid on it. You're going to leave it just like this on simmer. You're going to cover it. Okay guys, so here it is. Here's my conchas con carne. I let it simmer for about 25 minutes after I put the lid on it. But basically what you're waiting for is for the conchas to get nice and tender. I hope you guys enjoy this. And don't forget to give it a squeeze of lime. It makes it taste even way better. And of course with some fresh homemade tortillas. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.